Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today is we're going to be making pear pie filling. Kind of like we did with our apples, except we're using our sweet, delicious pears. Oh, yeah. Animals get these. We already made a bunch of vinegar. Make sure to check out that video as well. Alright, so we're going to get our water set up because we're going to do a quick blanching with the pears. So let's go ahead and turn this on high and get that boiling. Alright, so you want to blanch or parboil them for about a minute. Alright, these are all set here. And you want to get like a slotted spoon or something to make this easier. Smells awesome. Alright, we'll set them off to the side. And if you wanted to, you could turn this into jelly at this point with the pear flavoring. For this recipe, we're going to use 4 cups of water. Alright, so we're going to pour our 4 cups in. Now we're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And we're going to get this on high for right now. Actually, get that on medium. So we need 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. We're going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And then 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. And we're going to stir that up in there. It smells so good. Now we're going to add 2 3/4 cup of sugar. There we go. Alright, so we'll stir that up until that's all dissolved. And now if you're canning, go ahead and use 3/4 cups of clear gel cook type. This is meant for pies, especially when you're jarring. And you want to whisk that in. Alright, now that it's boiling up, and it boils up pretty quick, we're going to add 1/2 cup of lemon juice. And we're going to stir that in. And that's thickening up pretty good. So now we can go ahead and add our pears back into it. Ah, this looks so good. And now we'll go ahead and stir them into it. Alright. So you can see how thick it is now. And now we're all set to start putting these in the jars and canning them. Alright, so they are now officially ready for canning. Alright, so pretty simple, easy recipe. And you could also freeze these if you don't want to can them. And if you don't want to make your own crust, you could do the graham cracker, make little pies for your kids. Or, we got the big ones. Do big graham cracker pies. So good. Alright, and then you're going to can these. You want to get your water up to a boil, and you're going to boil them in the cans for 30 minutes. And that's it. You're all set. You're good to go for your Thanksgiving or special holiday, whatever you want to use your pear pie fillings for. So, alright, we got to get making a lot more. So once again, make sure to check out all of our other videos. Hit that like button, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
Alright, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.